Hello, I'm Numberblock 1, and I like to solve mysteries. Welcome to my detective office. It was a grey day in the big city, and I was feeling bored. I was wondering where my next case would come from when suddenly... Nine came bursting through the door. "Everything has gone," he wailed. Nine explained that he lived in flat number 9 on the 9th floor. At 9 o'clock he had gone out for his morning walk, but when he got home, his flat was completely empty. "This sounds like one great mystery," I said. We went to Nine's apartment building to look for clues. "Did you see anything unusual this morning?" I asked. Nine remembered something. He'd passed a stranger in a coat and hat. The stranger was as wide as the door and had a flat head. "The door is exactly 2 blocks wide," I noted. It was our first clue, and I wrote it in my notebook. Then Nine remembered that the stranger was smaller than him. "Ha! One more clue," as I was writing it down. A shadow fell across the door. The shadow of someone wearing a hat. Someone 2 blocks wide with a flat head. It had to be our suspect. The shadowy figure ran past us. "After them!" I cried. We chased the mystery number block into an alleyway. But we were too late. The suspect was gone. Then, something about the steps caught my eye. "A hat! Those aren't steps," I said. The steps jumped up and ran away. It was our suspect in disguise. We chased the suspect down a dark alleyway. "Wait!" I called. We chased them all the way to a dead end. This time, there was no escape. But the suspect wasn't there. There were only 2 3s in the alley. Something just didn't add up. Or did it? I looked at all the clues. Clue number 1. The suspect had a flat top when standing 2 blocks wide, so must have been an even number. Clue number 2. The suspect was smaller than 9, so couldn't have been 10. Oh, and one more thing. To hide from us, the suspect made a step shape. Only one number block is an even number, smaller than 9, and can make a step shape. 6. We rushed back to the flats and caught 6 red-handed. She was loading boxes into a van. "Stop!" I shouted. Six soon explained that she wasn't taking the boxes, she was moving in. "Come up to my new apartment and see," she said. We counted the floors as we climbed the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 9. Hang on, that wasn't right. 9 doesn't come after 5. The number on 6's door was loose and had turned upside down. It looked like a number 9. "9, I think you went into this empty flat by mistake," I said. Nine ran upstairs to his real flat and found everything exactly as he had left it. Ha ha! Mystery solved. That was one great mystery. Did you solve it too? Beep beep! The Alphablocks are on a bus to Capital City.
Oh. S.
Bus. Everyone gets off. They have come to see a play at the theatre.
Oh.
Off. It's time to sit down. The show is about to start.
S.
Sit. High on a hill lived a happy prince named Prince X. The wet weather witch was jealous of Prince X because he was wet. Excellent at everything. Boo! Hiss! He's behind you! The audience calls, having lots of fun. So the witch put a spell on the prince with a cloud of magic fog.
Oh. G.
Fog. That night, the prince got into his big bed. But no matter how hard he tried, he could not fall asleep. Bed. His friends tried turning off all the lights.
Oh.
Off. They gave him his favourite furry fox toy to cuddle.
Oh. X.
Fox. They even got him to count pigs. 1 pig, 2 pigs, 3 pigs. Oh, but nothing worked. No matter how hard Prince X tried, he could not fall asleep.
G.
Pig. Prince X lay awake for what felt like 10 long years, until one day
Mm.
10. Lovely Princess L came to look. A lot of prickly plants had grown up around the castle.
Oh.
Lot. Let me in, she called. Elle leaped up and over the plants, then climbed up the tall tower with a long ladder.
Oh.
Up. The princess jumped in through the window and found the prince awake in his bed.
Mm.
In. I will save you, cried Princess L. She gave Prince X her favourite doll to cuddle, but it didn't put him to sleep. Let me have a little think, said the princess. As she thought, she began to hum a lovely
Oh. Mm.
hum lullaby. The sweet song melted away the magic, and finally the prince did fall asleep. The prince's friends and the wet weather witch and the pigs also had a nap.
Mm.
Ah! Nap. Look, even the audience is sleeping. Oh, no, we're not, shouts N. I'm not napping.
Mm. Oh.
Not. It's the end of the play. What a fun show.
Oh. Mm.
Fun. Can you clap and cheer with the Alphablocks? Which story would you like to choose? Hello, Colour Explorer. You've arrived just in time. Brown has spotted a red log that's dancing in the woods. That's better. Logs are usually brown, and they don't usually dance. It looks like the colour blocks have been doing some silly colouring. Let's see if there are any more silly colours waiting in the woods. Brown loves being outdoors. The green trees with the brown trunks, green grass and an orange bouncy puddle. Oh, that's better. Puddles are usually blue, and they aren't usually bouncy. Brown is following blue. And what's this? Huh? A flock of bright blue flying bananas? That's better. Bananas are usually yellow, and they can't usually fly. As Brown runs after Yellow, she hears the sudden sound of music coming from some purple leaves. Oh, that's better. Leaves are usually green, and they don't usually play music. When Brown finally catches up with the other colour blocks, she sees they have brought her to a picnic. Brown's friends left her a trail of silly colouring because they know she loves an adventure in the woods. What a fun day out, Colour Explorer!